Hi guys, welcome back. Today, we have an essential tutorial for Mac users there. We're going to show you how to create a Mac Bootable installer. Whether you need it for installing macOS on multiple computers without re-downloading or performing a clean install. So, let's dive right in. First, download the macOS Ventura installer from App Store. Just search for Ventura and find the installer. Click View to open. And click Get to download. Then click Download on the prompt. It will take a while, so just be patient. Once the installer has completed downloading, it will prompt you to install macOS Ventura. Cause we just want to create a bootable disk, go up to the menu bar and click Install macOS Ventura. Quit Install macOS, and then you can close Software Update. Next, we need a USB or other secondary volume though with at least 14 GB of available storage. Connect it to the computer. You can go to Finder to make sure there is nothing important on the drive. And next, let's format the disk as macOS Extended. Go to Launchpad and open Disk Utility. Select your USB. Go up and click Erase. And then select macOS Extended Journal, which is compatible with the installer. Click Erase. Now, we're finished with Disk Utility. Next step is to run Terminal and create the bootable disk. Open Terminal. Type sudo space. Next, we need to locate the Create Install Media executable file. Open Finder and go to Applications. You will see Install macOS Ventura here. Right-click on it and select Show Package Contents. Double-click on Contents. In Resources folder, find Create Install Media file. Drag it to Terminal. Next, type -- volume space. Then let's get the volume path. Open Finder. Go up to the menu bar, click Go, and select Go to Folder. Type /volumes. And you should see the USB drive here. Drag it over to Terminal. Press Enter, then type your password. Type Y to confirm. This will take a while. Alright, you get a bootable disk now. Go to Finder and eject it. And you can install macOS Ventura with it. Here we'll show you how to install macOS Ventura on a Mac with Apple Silicon. Connect the USB to your Mac. Simply hold the power button until the screen shows loading startup options. You can see Install macOS Ventura. Click it and follow to install. There you have it. If this video is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.